Hi, are you like to become an entrepreneur? Interested to set up a CNC machine shop? Or like to work on this field which can do the kind of work shown in this video? Or you already own or work on CNC router and like to improve your skills in designing and programming toolpath for CNC router? This training will take you one step ahead while exploring the exciting possibility to design such items and making it. Did you ever wonder how this kind of creation is done? Whether it's making design signboard, door carving, interior or exterior panels, knockdown furniture, or machining on different materials for embossing, engraving, carving, marking, drilling, profile cutting to make these kind of items. This course will cover 2D design, toolpath creations to machine on any CNC for the kind of job showing in this video. Join this course now to start a successful journey in this field. 2 weeks, every day, few hours, learning and practice in your own time will make you capable to bring creativity, productivity and profit. I am Pradeep Kumar KP, 20 years of experience in this field. It's my pleasure to share the knowledge with you and to train on this software tool. Don't wait, join now.